Welcome again, guys. Now we're going to learn about the vocabulary for lesson 2 for the American language course, book 4A. I am positive we'll win tomorrow. See that in this case, we are going to use vocabulary for giving our opinion. In this case, it's positive. With positive, you really need to use the verb to be. But of course, it is going to be applied according to the subject, which in this case is I. For the subject I, you have to use the to be for am. In this case, I am positive we'll win tomorrow. Those words are used to give your opinion. And those words show a certain degree of possibility or certainty or uncertainty. When you are sure that something happened, or if you are not sure that something happened, almost certain or very uncertain. Let's start. Doubt. Doubt can be used as a noun, like in this case, or a verb. Okay? He doubts she will come to his birthday party, for example. The doubt is a possibility that he has as a noun. Believe, of course, this is another word to show your opinion, to give your opinion. Okay? I believe it's a degree in between a degree of certainty or uncertainty. I believe. You believe that because you know the person. I believe she won't pass the English quiz, for example. I imagine is another way. Okay, it's another way to say that you don't have too many facts that you are supposing. Suppose is another word. Okay, that you are supposing that something will happen. Certain. See the difference here because in when using this word, you have to use the verb to be, as I already told you. For example, they are certain that they will find the computer they lost, for example. In that case, you cannot say they certain, no, you need the verb to be. But remember, if you use suppose here, you don't need the verb to be. I suppose we are going to have a meeting tomorrow, for example. Certainly is an adverb. We certainly understand what you are saying. For example, positive. For positive here, you also need to use the verb to be. She is positive that she will go to the graduation this year, for example. For sure, I will buy a new car this year, for sure. Okay, that's my opinion. I am very positive that I will have the money to buy a new car, for example. Let's continue with the adverb quiet. Quiet. Okay. The adverb quiet is a synonym for the adverb very. Okay. As so many other adverbs like this. Gabriel is so, too, quite, pretty. Those adverbs are synonyms for the word very. Instead of using very, which is very common, very ordinary, for example, we can use Gabriel is so intelligent. Gabriel is too intelligent. Gabriel is quite intelligent. Gabriel is pretty intelligent. Instead of using the word very, very, which in many cases can be very boring, really, to listen to this adverb, very, we use different adverbs which give a more precise degree of certainty or uncertainty about the, in this case, the adjective that we are using here. Let's continue with the vocabulary. Uncertain. Again, I needed to be. I am uncertain about the holiday, for example. I am uncertain because we don't know if we are going to take it or not. Okay? So, in this case, is an adverb that can be used instead of the word very. Okay? Uh, don't get confused because so has another meaning too. But in this case, it's used as an adverb, which can be used instead of the adverb very. Surely, surely is another way to show that you are certain about something, and it is an adverb. Let's uh, let's do this game, okay? Let's do you find the word certain here? Yes? Yes? Did you? Yeah, that's it. Certain. Can you find the word imagine? No? Not yet? Yes, imagine. Okay. Don't stop here. You have to find some many other words. Okay? Let's keep practicing. Bye. Remember that practice makes perfect. Practice makes progress. Never forget about that. Bye.